Cha 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 cha. Igbo kwen hey, kwen hey, kwen hey, kwen hey. Good news, good news, good news. So, guys, there is good news. Oh, enwere good news. I nwere good news. Good news, oh, Bona. Those three wise men, that Igbo boys, three Igbo boys that Dr. Alex Onya sponsored to Rome, they won 28 medals. Award. They won 28 medals. They came back to Nigeria with 28 medals. Yes. Inquire about it. Find out. Yes. So we got to celebrate them. Celebration time. Everybody make una come. Celebrate. Celebration time. Everybody make una come. Celebrate. Yes. Yes. Time for Jesus. Time for Jesus. May God bless Dr. Alex Onya. May God bless that man. This man, an Igbo man, he sponsored personally, single-handedly, individually. He sponsored three students from southeastern part of Nigeria. He sponsored them to participate on the competition, Olympiad competition on mathematics and science. He sponsored them. That man spent not less than 30-something pounds on these boys. He took care of their flight ticket, their hotel accommodation, their feeding, everything. He took care of everything. He is not the government. He is not Nigeria government. He is not a minister. He is not a commissioner. He is not a governor. He's none of the appointments in Nigeria. He is not a FCT minister. He is nothing. Just an ordinary man who dip hand into his pocket and now he brought out little change to make a change in people's lives. Oh God. God will bless that man. Oh. God will bless that. When God go to bless that man, people go the one that say, no only that man, I God see where God they bless him. That is now you went on Twitter, guys. Have you been on Twitter? See, say Twitter they under fire. Say the Ronus them, say Nigeria people they there for Twitter. Then they talk say the man is symbiotic, the man is tribalistic, the man is this. Come away to make I ask you. Now your money demand take do the same way you do. Now your money demand, now government money, now taxpayers money where demand use. This Dr. Alex did not use taxpayers money. He did not use any taxpayers money at all. Dr. Alex Onya did not use government money. He deep hand inside his pocket, brought out that something pounds and used it to sponsor these children. Also, he also sponsored the media coverage. He carried his media coverage along with him. Afia TV, you know Afia TV in Enugu State. That new TV channel, one man opened in Enugu. The name is Afia TV. If you have not heard about Afia TV, Google it. You will see Afia TV. You will see all this news in Afia TV. Go to Afia TV. You will see all the information. All the news is there. Guys, this man carried Afia TV and his Afia TV crew members. Carried the teachers that taught these students. He went with the teachers. He went with the media team. Plus, including himself, all of them, he packaged all of them to Rome. This is how you enable conducive atmosphere that enhances learning. This is how you produce conducive learning atmosphere that will help people to do well academically. You see, he carried their teachers. He carried his media team. He himself was there. Students too. He provided everything for these people with little money. This money now, it is not up to the SUV our ministers are riding. It's not up to the house they gifted judges in Abuja. This money is not up to the SUV, the hilos they shared to people. You understand? So it is where you want to invest. That is where you will invest your money. Wherever you want to invest, you want to invest on human being, you invest on human being. If you want to invest on material things, you invest on material things, Agbada and co. You see, if you want to invest on whatever, you invest. But this man dipped hand in his pocket and invested on human being. And people are still trolling on him. People are still calling him out that he is Igbotic, he is tribalistic, he did it for only Igbo people. Before Uncle, every tribe get their billionaires. And this man self no be even one of those people that their names are raining. We be stinking billionaires as we know. This man is a person, just an ordinary citizen like everybody. But he dipped hand into his pocket and brought out this amount of money and used it wisely to sponsor people. They first of all did this competition in Southeast, the 5 states in Southeast, and these 3 people came first. There was no mago, no Oluwole, no I sabi this person, no hey, my papa na FCT minister, or my mama na this, or my mama na that. No, this one they did it purely on merit. This is how Nigeria is supposed to be working. Now like this, they're supposed to run Nigeria so that it will make sense. Yes, if they run Nigeria like this, Nigeria will make sense. It's only when they did not run Nigeria like this, that is how it is going wrong. God, if you start moving forward, you go back again, you go left and right, you just they run around the one place. So if we want Nigeria to move forward, we know what to do. This one where this man do is the tip of an iceberg. You understand? So today is still early. It's still early for people if they want to fix Nigeria. See how other countries they insult us. See common South Africa. See how South Africa they insult Nigerians. They buy us. See how they buy us in South Africa. If say we invested on human being, where our people, everybody, they buoyant. And if you finish school, you get work. If you get work, everybody go they work in his or her own field. Your area of specialization, you work there so that you improve the economy of the country. Everybody carry eye put for oil. Oil dey for brain. I tell you, this man now want to tell you, say oil dey for brain. Only if you no want harness it. If you don't want to harness the oil where God put inside brain, that is when you be looking at it as that one no be. You understand? So make it make sense. This man now, he's supposed to collect accolade. We're supposed to always clap for Dr. Alex Onya. He has done what they have done since 2019. They said that Nigeria government stopped sponsoring Nigerians to this Olympiad competition, math and science competition since 2019. How many years now? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 7 years ago. Nigeria has not been represented there. You see? Nobody represented us. This man now said, okay, let me see if my people can go. He now dip hand into his pocket and sponsor them. And now people are crying on Twitter. Why did he sponsor only Southeast people? Is it taxpayers' money that he used? Did he use taxpayers' money? Hey. When I don't see him, I say common sense is not common. No be to buy agbada. No be to go acquire the whole wealth wey dey for this world where we no go fit finish. We no go fit finish am. All this wealth wey we dey acquire, people dey pack. See the one where they call fake agency now. See how much that one sef the bill enter inside the budget too. And they deny, say they no know who the man is. The man come fly from somewhere, come carry his hand, wrote a bill, put inside budget. Come take in hand to build office, come dey for the office, come dey give order, come get workers, come get over how many workers wey dem dey quote, how many hundreds of workers wey dem dey quote. You see, una dey see am. This is why we are where we are. But if we start today behave like this Alex Onya, be like say people wey dey answer Alex brain, or e dey their brain o. The other Alex too dey do well for Southeast. Another Alex don come out. Be like say everybody go dey name their children Alex now o, because the people wey dey answer Alex, oil dey their head. I come in peace, so abeg, if you never subscribe, please help me hit the red button to subscribe, like and share this video. Put your comment down on the comment section below, guys. Tell us what you think about this video. Are you happy the way I am? Are you happy for the performance of these children? Share your thoughts on the comment section below, guys. I know that you love good things. Everybody loves good things, right? Yes, everybody loves good things. So share your thoughts. Tell us how you feel on this comment section, and tell us where you're watching from. All right, guys, I come in peace. So see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.